Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back again to our channel Job Seeker Sub. Today in this video I am going to discuss about multiple hirings from multiple companies and examination mails from companies as well. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Few days ago I just shared this opportunity. Standard Chartered is hiring for apprentice. So the candidates, those who got applied for that particular opportunity, received assessment mails. Here you can see, hi candidate, thank you for completing your application for the Apprentice Technology GBS India 2026 role. We are emailing you to invite a skill insight assessment. Read through the tips below, and you have to complete the assessment within 14 days. Means you had a 14 days of time. Within 14 days, you have to complete this assessment. The hiring link is still active, guys. I already updated the hiring link here. If you didn't apply for this opportunity, you can apply by clicking on this video, or else I will give this video link in our description as well. So if you want more details about this particular opportunity, just click on that video and you got to know about that. The next hiring is from Sutherland, guys. So Sutherland announced its off-campus drive for 2025 candidates. Here you can see this is a associate by senior associate referral. Contract type is brick and mortar. Location is Chennai. So this is for Chennai region. If you want to read the description about Sutherland, you can read the description here. This is a job description. Resolving requests inquiries made by customer via email, chat, or social, achieving contact central statics and SLAs. And if you want to read this, you can read this. The qualification here they mentioned is any full-time graduate, whether you are a UG, PG, doesn't matter. Arts, science, commerce, engineering, pharma, MBA, MCA, means if you are from a BCA, BSc, BCom, you can apply for this opportunity. BTech, MBA, MC also can apply for this opportunity, but only 2025 pass outs are allowed to apply for this opportunity. Apply for this opportunity as soon as possible, because many of the candidates are receiving assessment mails for this particular opportunity as well. Here you can see other additional skills required is excellent verbal and written English language skills, good analytical and typing skills, flexibility to work shifts including nights. This is a rotational shift job, guys, so please remind that this is not a 9 to 6 a.m job. This is a rotational shift job. Candidates must reside within a radius of 20 km of our office. If you want to apply, just click on apply now button. You will be redirected to another site. Over there you can apply easily. Next hiring is from Deloitte, guys. So this is for Hyderabad region. If you are the one who are looking for Hyderabad region job, you can apply for this role. Here you can see this is a service support associate one, talent process and business support. You can read, this is the position summary. And qualification they mentioned is a graduate degree. So if you are from a BCA, BCA, BSc or BTech, doesn't matter, just you need a graduate degree. 0 to 1 year of experience. In the sense, this is opportunity only for 25 and 26 candidates. If you are a 25 26 candidate, then you can apply for this opportunity. Here you can see the shift timing is 2 p.m to 11 p.m. So this is a rotational shift job, and work location is Hyderabad only, as I discussed earlier. So if you want to read more about this job, you can read that. Click on this apply now button. You can easily apply for this opportunity as well. Next hiring is from Amazon, guys. This is also for 2025 and 2026 graduates only. This is a software development engineer role. Here you can see, if you want to read all these things, you can read. This is a pan India, guys. Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi are the locations. These are the key responsibilities. Collaborate with experienced cross-disciplinary Amazons to convince, design, and bring innovative products and services to the market. Basic qualifications they need is bachelor's degree or in computer science, computer engineering, or related field. Knowledge of computer science fundamentals such as object-oriented design, algorithm design, data structures, problem solving, and complexity analysis. Knowledge of programming language such as C, C++, Python, Java, or PL. Any one programming language is sufficient. You don't need to know all these. If you had a good knowledge on Java, Python, still you can apply for this opportunity. Preferred qualification is a previous technical internship. Means if you had a internship from any other company previously, you may be on edge. Like, this is not a mandatory, you may be on edge compared to other candidates. Experience with distributed multi-tied systems, algorithm and relational database. Experience in optimization mathematics such as linear programming or linear optimization. If you want to read, you can read all this. Just click on this apply now button. If you had an Amazon account earlier, you can just log in into that account and you can easily apply. If you are a new one, just create one account by giving your email address, password, and you can apply for this opportunity. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you are the one who didn't apply for Standard Chartered, just watch this video and apply for this opportunity. Jai Hind. Bye bye now.